Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tech Outsiders video. I'm Victor, I'll be your host today, and this video is actually brought to you by one of our viewers, Daniel. He recommended me some active noise cancellation headphones from the Onn brand, aka Walmart. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright, so diving right into it, I opened the box for a little bit of the B-roll, but on the back of it, these headphones, active noise cancellation, is on there. It's one of their main 4 selling points. It has built-in microphone, Bluetooth technology, lightweight, and collapsible design for easy storage. And it also says up to 30 hours of playtime. So that's pretty much the main specs that they give you. There's a voice assistant support, which means there's probably like a button for that. There's a touch panel to play pause, adjust volume, and switch songs. Already, what makes this product a little bit great, in my opinion, is the carrying case. It's a hard shell, and it was a nice zipper, nice on-brand logo on it. Actually, it feels pretty good of quality. So let's open it up. These are the headphones. All right, the band feels a little bit, it's silicone or it feels plasticky. So the cushion is probably like maybe the one thing I see downfall on it, but the ear cuffs, they actually feel really good. If you gave me these versus the Sony ones in a blindfold test, I wouldn't be able to tell you like which ear cuffs are which. They actually feel pretty nice. They have a nice weight to them, not too heavy, but definitely feels on the premium side of things for being 50 bucks. The case, it's lined up with this soft material, not felt, but the stuff like probably like you see in your car and all that, the car trunk. That's the best way I describe it. That's the material that they use here. Sadly, this device does not charge through USB-C. They still use a micro USB, which isn't bad. Everyone has a cable lying around, but just don't be expecting quick charging out of this bad boy. And a nice surprise, they actually include an aux cable to it. It actually does seem one of the right ear cup is actually touch compatible. It has a touch capacitor or touch control, whatever you want to call it, just like the Sony ones. I was not expecting this for 50 bucks already. If it works anything decently, I will call these a win for 50 bucks, but I'll get into that later. 2 tap to play, tap and hold for Siri, Google, slide next song, slide previous song, volume up, slide up, volume down, slide down. Okay, pretty simple. Other than that, charging time is about 3 hours. So if you don't mind having a long wait, charging these overnight, 3 hours for 30 hours plus of listening, then there's pretty much no downsides to this already from what this is telling me. Before we get into the listening, we actually have to pair the device. So let's see how easy that is. And there's 3 buttons on the device total: ANC, noise cancellation, the ambient one, which is right next to it, and then the power button. So let me just hold the power button for a few seconds. Set power on, pairing, go to my phone's Bluetooth, and there it is, on over-ear ANC. You just click it and it paired right away. So pairing, really easy. So far they're getting everything right. And let me just listen to a few songs. Left and right, yeah. All right. The touch panel works just fine. It didn't miss a single swipe or tap. Ambient sound, I had it on ambience at first. I really wanted to test it just without anything on it. And I could hear pretty much just the AC at the moment. But for first sound impressions, the ambient sound is actually really good. EQ is pretty much flat. I would say is good for the majority of audio listeners, because if you ever wanted more bass, less bass, more vocals, you could change that in your phone settings. So having a pretty much flat EQ works out for me. So let me just try out noise cancellation and talk to my cameraman, Bryce. I hear it on. All right, tell me about your day, Bryce.
Are you sure it's on?
My shirt's on, yeah.
No, are you sure the noise canceling is on?
Oh no, it's on, bro. I do hear your voice being a little bit muffled. I hear my own voice being a little bit muffled. I don't know if the mic is picking it up, but I don't hear the AC anymore, and I don't hear the cars out in the streets.
I hope the mic's not picking up the AC.
I hope not either. For the viewers. But for $50, honestly, this noise cancellation is actually, it's pretty far out there, dude. For $50, not being able to hear vehicles on the outside of your house or the AC. If you're just home and you're just chilling in bed, you want to isolate yourself to the sound or a movie that you're watching, these would do perfect. And for $50, I would say these are a win. Like I said, the touch panel, never miss a swipe, never miss a tap. It's flawless there. If you had any doubt of buying these headphones, let me just tell you some cons keeping me away from getting them myself. First of all, the build quality on the headband, I would say the silicone, it does seem that it was made not to perfection, not as good as it could have been. Another con is my partner was telling me that the noise bleed is very audible, so you probably don't want to be fully blasting music like in a library or on a bus. It wasn't terribly loud, but even then it could be a disturbance later on. And then the last con I see, the charging is micro USB. These headphones, for giving 30 hours of battery life, they take 3 hours to charge. I don't have 3 hours during the day to wait for headphones to charge, but I do at night. So if you are a night charger, you charge your headphone at night, your watch, then that's definitely not going to be a problem. Moving on to the pros, is the big one is the case. Honestly, headphones should have cases already with them, like the Sony. Unfortunately, Apple doesn't give you a good carrying case, so that's not really portable. These ones collapse, so even if you decide not to bring the case, they won't take up too much space in your bag. And I do feel these really sturdy enough to handle the beating in your backpack. But putting those away is quite simple. It does come with 2 cables, the aux cable and the charging cable. Packs up quite neatly. Zips up nice. I really like the build of the case actually. It does feel premium for $50. Another pro I'd say, the touch controls are definitely a pro. Not a lot of headphones have those yet. Even the earbuds where you try and tap them, those aren't perfect. But seeing it work flawlessly on a $50 pair of headphones just blew my mind. If you're getting headphones for yourself, for a friend, or for your children, I do believe that spending $50 at Walmart might be the best deal you could get yet. There's headphones at this price that just don't meet the quality, don't meet the sound. I really don't see why anyone would have more than 2 thoughts over this. The first thought being maybe the build quality, but other than that, I'm sold that these headphones for $50 for 30 hours of battery life, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. I've only seen these in black at my Walmart and online. I'm not sure if if there are other colors, but the black ones work out for me. They look sleek, they look clean, they feel nice. The case leaves some smudge marks on it, but I could get past that. And my conclusion, they're worth it. For $50, you're not missing out much, and I recommend you guys to go try these out yourselves. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. If you own a pair of these, let me know how long they're lasting you, how their condition is holding up. And other than that, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Victor. Keep recommending me stuff to review, either headphones or other products that you haven't seen on this channel before. I'd be happy to review them for you. And as always, let me know what I could do better. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.